Hi, I'm Mike McNatt with Indoor Environmental SafeSpace, and today's video is all about portable filtration and the Corsi-Rosenthal box, an ingenious and budget-friendly solution for air purification. So what is a Corsi-Rosenthal box? The Corsi-Rosenthal box is a do-it-yourself, cost-effective air filtration device that you can build yourself in the comfort of your own home for under $100 and in less than 1 hour. This innovation allows you to construct your very own air purifier without breaking the bank. The heart of this solution is a cube formed by 4 high-quality HVAC filters combined with the power of a box fan that draws air through the filters. In a recent study conducted in 2022, it was discovered that the design of the Corsi-Rosenthal box yielded an impressive clean air delivery rate ranging between 300 and 750 cubic feet per minute, depending on the chosen fan speed. This remarkable performance is achieved at a fraction of the cost when compared to commercial air filters, making it a very economical choice. And while it's not a replacement for commercially available medical-grade air purifiers, it is a great alternative if pricier models are simply out of reach, and a great solution for supplementing air filtration during times when circumstances require it. Running a portable air filtration device alongside central heating and cooling filtration can offer several advantages. First is enhanced air quality. Supplementing central filtration with a portable air filter can significantly improve the overall air quality in your home. Central HVAC air filters may not catch all particles and pollutants, especially those that are smaller or more localized. The portable air filter can capture these additional contaminants, including dust, pet dander, pollen, mold spores, and volatile organic compounds, resulting in cleaner and healthier air. Flexibility and mobility. Portable air filtration devices offer the advantage of being portable and easy to move around your home. You can use them in different rooms or areas depending on your needs and preferences. This flexibility allows you to customize the air quality in specific areas, ensuring a healthier and more comfortable environment wherever you go. Energy efficiency. Portable air filters consume less energy compared to central HVAC systems. They are designed to operate efficiently while still effectively filtering the air. Using a portable air filtration device allows you to have control over its usage, only running it in specific rooms or during particular times of the day, which can save energy and reduce costs. Individual control. Portable air filters offer you the ability to customize the filtration level according to your needs. You can adjust the fan speed and filtration settings based on the air quality in a specific room. This personalized control is not possible with centralized HVAC filters, as they typically operate on a fixed setting for the entire home. Allergy and asthma relief. Portable air filters are particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies or asthma. Portable air filters capture tiny particles such as pollen, dust mites, and pet dander, which are common triggers for allergies and respiratory issues. By using a portable air filter, you can reduce the presence of these triggers in specific areas of your home, providing relief for those with sensitivities. Odor reduction. Portable air filters equipped with activated carbon filters can effectively remove odors from the air. Activated carbon has excellent absorption properties, which can help eliminate unpleasant smells or volatile chemicals. This can be particularly useful in kitchens, bathrooms, or areas where odors tend to linger. Supplemental filtration during HVAC downtime. Central heating and air conditioning systems may have periods when they are not actively running, such as during mild weather or when the system is turned off. During these times, a portable air filtration device can continue to provide filtration and maintain good air quality in specific areas of your home. And that wraps up our video for today. If you found this information helpful, please show your support by liking and sharing it so that others can also benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos. I'm Mike McNatt from Indoor Environmental SafeSpace, wishing you and your family health and happiness in your indoor environmental safe space. Thanks for watching and take care.